everyone, this is Elisa with WTI.
I was trying to organize my kitchen drawer, so I got this double layer bamboo kitchen drawer by COIWAI, and it has been a tremendous help. I love the many beautiful features it has and how well made it is. This has this little slidable small organizer that it's also removable, and it also comes with this built-in knife block. I love its quality. This is bamboo, and you're going to see that it has a beautiful finish. This is the perfect size for your drawers. And not only is this great for your silverware, but it can be used for many other things. I truly enjoy putting all of my utensils in here. They fit perfectly. It's so spacious and it's so functional. I love how smooth it slides as well. Not only did I use it for one drawer, but I used it for two drawers. As you can see, the second drawer, I had a bunch of little things, but I still wanted it to be organized, or at least to know where everything is, that it's visible for the eye. So if you're looking to organize your utensils, I highly recommend this bamboo kitchen drawer by COIWAI.
But that's just my point of view.